It is Friday, and today is like a kind of an unintentional self-care day. So I thought I would bring you guys along with me. I'm going to get a wax today. I'm going to get a facial today. Um, and then I need to come home and like do my brows, wax them, get rid of our stash, stuff like that. I'm not doing my hair or anything because this week was kind of like weird because of like content that I had due. I had to wash my hair on Wednesday, which is like very out of the norm for me. So I'm not gonna be washing my hair again until next week. So I'm gonna go and finish working this morning, and then I'll talk to you guys when we're headed to go get our wax and our facial. There's nothing at all to do with our, I mean, kind of self-care. This is like a meal prep I made for myself earlier in the week. It's quinoa, some, okay, steam. Okay, get my facial later. Green beans with mushrooms and chicken. I just buy a rotisserie chicken from Sam's Club. I don't care what nobody say. I don't think those are real chickens because why are those $5? And they so good. I'm trying to get back on my Zoom, you know? And then I get this from Sam's Club too. This is this like chili crunch oil. Y'all, this is so good. They have another one that's like herb. It's like herb and parmesan, I think. But this one is my favorite. And it's like so good on everything. Like you can put it on eggs. As you can see, I'm putting it on this. Like it's just, that's what she looks like. And I make 5 of these like on a Sunday. I almost forgot to take my leave. If you've never gotten a wax before down there, you know, in your lady area, it gets better as you do it, but I still take 2 a leave every time I go. It's not the worst thing in the world, but also just, you know, find somebody you like. I mean, I'm not gonna say it's terrible, but it's not a painless process. So I don't have time for you to be trying to like, let's chit chat, but keep going. I've definitely gone to people before where they just want to like stop and talk to you while they're, no, you need to be able to multitask. All right, it says he's coming down the street, so. Hi.
N, right?
Yeah.
So this is your shortcut name, right?
Yeah.
Nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Good. How are you?
What is your name, honey?
Niara.
Alright, I got you all checked in. Give her just a few minutes. She'll be right with you.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Hi. Like 3 today. I was like rescheduling a bunch.
Oh, it's totally fine.
The stuff kept like coming up and happening, and then like today at work, because I usually have like half days at work.
Awesome.
I literally just have to walk like 10 feet, maybe not even. I don't know how long this is. And I go to Massage Envy to get my facials. They do facials here, y'all, which I didn't know until my girl came here.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are
You're
you?
so cute. You're
Thank
always
you.
so
Okay.
cute for a girl.
Are you? Okay. Thank you.
Let's do it.
All right, so we got our facial done. Our skin is looking good. She said that I had some deeper ones. I don't know what's going on with my chin area, but she said I had like some deeper ones like around my chin, but she was just like letting like them chill. She's not gonna like, the thing I really like about Chrissy is like she's not gonna like dig at my face because I scar very, very easily. So what she did was she did a little bit of extractions, which she said she like typically doesn't do with microdermabrasion, but me and Chrissy are locked in. So she always gives me like a couple of extractions. And then she did microdermabrasion to help with what this is like, hair is in my face and I'm not liking it. She did microdermabrasion to help with like the hyperpigmentation and everything, because like I have this mark right here from like a really big cyst that I had like a little while ago. I feel like y'all saw. And then all the hyperpigmentation that I have over here. So she did that. I think that was really it. But we talked about next time I'm gonna get a peel. But I just want my skin to be like glowing and radiant for the summer. So she said I should try that next time, which I am. You know, you gotta kind of start like your skin prep or like just your summertime prep like months in advance. Hi. I really didn't have any reason to be in Sephora. I just wanted to like see what they had. If you have like a teenager, you need to teach them how to behave in stores like when you're not around, because the way that the teenage girls be like accosting us in Sephora is just letting us know that they don't have no home training. That's what my mama call it. I'm not waxing or tinting my brows like I had initially planned because I don't have anything to tint them with. And what's even more annoying is I just got back from Target like a little while ago. Literally just got back from Target. So I can at least pluck them, because if you look, they're just like a little bit like overgrown. Just like a tiny bit. But I also don't like to like pluck them to perfection. I just clean up sparse hairs. These are the tweezers I use, by the way. They don't have a brand on them. Oh, actually, yes, they do. It's Faded Off. It's GSQ by Glam Squad. They must have come in a set or something. I don't really care like where the tweezers come from. I have like a bunch of different ones. I literally just go with the first ones that I see, that I grab. Oh my gosh, look at my board. Is it time for Botox? Oh. That first hair is always so painful. And because I don't have any wax, I just do this kind of thing, if you can see, where I'm just like pinching and going over to get like the very small little fine hairs. The wax would usually get that for me, but if you want to see how I wax my brows, I do have a self-care vlog. Those lines on my forehead are really bothering me. I do have a self-care vlog that I put up like in the beginning of February, but I just clean up under here with my tweezers. So I'm gonna do this side. This one doesn't even really have much. Sorry if y'all can hear the TV in the background. So that one didn't have much for me to clean up, and I couldn't really get much with the little like motion I was trying to do. So that's where these come in. I try not to use these that often on my brows, but you know, I don't have the wax, so I gotta do what I gotta do. I also used to use these on my face, and I will probably get my sideburns a little bit, but I don't do it as often. Like, you know how you see people like shave their whole face? My face does not agree with it. It just doesn't like it. So I'm gonna go along the top of my brows. And I don't know if I said this in the beginning, but this is like a few days later after me going to get my facial and my wax and everything, because I have microdermabrasion, so I didn't want to do anything that would be like too abrasive to my skin after I had that treatment done. It's basically just like a very, I won't say intense, but just a more thorough exfoliation. So I just brush my brows down just to make sure I don't chop anything off. And I just like very lightly just go around the top to get any hairs up here. And I get this hair that like forms right there by my brow. So I'm going to get my nails done in like March 16th or something like that. But these are what my nails look like right now. I've gotten a lot of questions about like what color this is exactly on TikTok specifically. I will add it to my Amazon storefront because I found the color that she used on Amazon and the brand and everything. It's a builder gel. It's like those gel colors that like come in like the little pot and they have to scoop it out with the brush. You could buy that and take it to like your nail tech if they use those type of gel pots. You know, it just depends. And then let's get our unibrow together. But yeah, this is probably a very short little video, but okay, I gotta stop that. I gotta stop.